Sithi akukho okufihliweyo ongayikuvela. Guys, indaba ke yomkhokha ke manje isibuyela emuva la eyaqala khona. Guys, ngizokhumbula ukuthi ke uMamzobe wantshutha izikhwama zikababa wakhe, ubaba wakhe ke wase ke eyazilengisa washona. Abafowabo kababa kaMzobe azange bamshaye ngoba befuna ukuthi ke abulale umndeni wakhe ke awuqede. Bathi ke uMamzobe nawo uzohlaselwa ke amaphupho amabi kuleli viki ukuthi akabuyisele izikhwama ukuze ke avikele umndeni wakhe. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 26th to the 29th of February 2024 on Monday. Mabusi bathi ke will fear for her life as ama voices get worse. Diva's apology is not well received at the church. The Mtembos alert the Gumede about Umkhokha on Tuesday. Whether or not another daughter in the Gumede family escapes Umkhokha unscathed, they remain to be seen on Wednesday. Mabusi makes a plea that will affect Pamanda's future. Kuliwe catches Ntombi in his seven's room. Mamzobe and Zodwa are forced to go back to the villages on Thursday. Mabusi is overwhelmed by the voices in her head. The Mzobes learns the real truth about their father. The remains enjoy, or the maid enjoy some alone time. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.